Leaky sight glass. Gonna happen eventually. I already sprayed this one down with some brake clean because it was just nasty. So on this machine, it's just some O-rings. There's really nothing to it. I mean, you'll pay more for the O-rings from the dealer than you will for one of these kits. So just buy a full kit, and then you got O-rings for everything. I guess most sight glass are some variation of this, but this is specifically for a Hyundai Dash 3 excavator. I didn't feel like draining the fuel tank, so I just ran it right down, and I've got it parked on a big hill. This is me holding the camera about level. Why not? It works. Okay, with it off, you can get a better idea what you're looking at. So the tube just slides into this end. You've got an O-ring on the top. You got one on the bottom, and you got one in there. Yeah, there it is, all cleaned up. I think it goes without saying, but make sure you clean everything really well, especially in here. The slots where the O-rings go in, they need to be spotless. I should probably mention those seals that go on either side of the bolt, they're not really O-rings. They're kind of a hybrid flat seal O-ring thing, but O-rings work. At least they always have for me. Okay, a little bit of grease on the end of the tube before I slide the whatever the hell this thing is over it, just to make sure that the O-rings don't get bound up. One helpful little trick is to remember to put that little black floating ball back in before you bolt the tube on. There she is, a thing of beauty. Definitely compared to what it looked like before. Man, that thing was gross. So I'm gonna say a full disclosure that technically you should be able to get those seals from the dealer, and they'll be more expensive than a box of O-rings, but I actually couldn't. When I went to go do the hydraulic tank side, they wanted me to buy the whole sight glass. They couldn't even get the seals. So, you know, this makes even more sense if that's your case. Hope it helps.